Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to search members on Telegram group on your Android. I'm using a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. It's supposed to be similar if you are using any phone as long as it's Android OS. So this is my one of my Telegram group. I'm joined this Telegram group now I want to search a member. You just tap on the subject of the group or the title, and then you can click on this upper on the triple dot, and then you can click search member. Very simple. You can search, for instance I will search for John. So there is no John on this group. So for instance I type in Jan Thai. So this is, I already found the Jan Thai members. Also, if you want to search, you can click on this triple dot. You can click search, and then you can, here as you can see on down below, there is an option of member search, and then it will be give a prefix from blah blah blah. So from now I can search the message from particular person. For example, I will search for Gentai like before. So no result. So this person never posting anything on this group. So that's it. Very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.